I'm going to go back to my old jig and just kind of plop it down on the table and use a quick clamp here and clamp it to the miter guide. Come here, you. Just have to hold it down. And I'm going to make a test cut. This is going to make sure that the dado cut's a 1/2 inch wide and that my depth setting is sufficient for this block to go into the slot and to be flush with the table. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Okay, here's our test slot. Now let's see how this block fits in there. It's very snug. And that is as it should be. Okay, that block fits pretty tight in that slot. I'm going to lay it down against the table here and give it a knock or two. Okay, now what we have right here, as you can see, it's not quite flat. There's two ways you can deal with that. One is to maybe just grab a little piece of wood like this and give it a smack or two, like that, and make sure it's flat. So you just pound it right down in the slot. So that's a lot better. So now we have a good 1/2 inch wide slot, so our dado is working fine. The depth seems to be pretty well because it's flush against the bottom. And so now we're ready to make that cut on our regular, on the jig that we're making now. So I'm going to take this off, set it aside, and we'll prepare to make our cuts on the new jig.